Hi there, this is Vivek. I'll do a product demo of our Self-Thread Hub platform, which is an AI infra as a service, infrastructure as a service platform with the bundled AI projects and AI service APIs. So this is a full stack AI development and deployment platform. As you can see, you can build AI solutions, train AI solutions, as well as deploy them. And it's a freemium SaaS business model, which means that developers globally can sign up for the free tier, and if they need higher level CPU and more persistent storage, and they can go to alpha beta tiers. And if they need GPU tiers, they can go to gamma or gamma plus uh, you know uh, cloud tiers. So it's a freemium model for AI, online AI development and deployment. And there are some ready-made projects which are available here. So it's project packs. So for example, some packs are available free of cost, some are chargeable, and here a developer uh, or an AI team can uh, jumpstart their AI development with these machine learning projects. And here are deep learning pack with deep learning projects using ANN, CNN, RNN, etc. And we have advanced AI project packs such as natural language processing, reinforcement learning, and computer vision, and many such packs which are being launched on the system. And so this is a sort of a jumpstart AI development platform, which will allow global developers and uh, you know uh, global AI teams to quickly develop AI projects and launch them. So we can call it AI platform as a service, or AI service APIs, AI as a service model, right? And then is supported with nice documentation which explains the various aspects of this platform, which developers can access. And let's sign in here. So I have already created an account for my email ID. And once I sign in here, we'll see this kind of dashboard screen. And here I have started a notebook instance. So as you know, Jupyter Notebook is the most popular online development environment for Python and AI solutions, for Python and AI development. So I've started a Jupyter Notebook instance. This whole thing is running on AWS cloud or Amazon Web Services cloud. Once the instance starts and it shows instance in service, I can launch Jupyter and start doing my AI development. Here I already have certain packs which I have checked out, and I can check out other packs as well. So machine learning, deep learning, and NLP pack are already owned by my account, and I can also choose to buy reinforcement learning, computer vision, unsupervised packs here. And with these packs, I'll get bundled AI projects which are already certified to run on this Self-Thread Hub platform, right? And if I need to upgrade my cloud tier, I can go here and I can choose any of these tiers. And initially, the initial users will be on free tier. They can purchase or check out higher level CPU, GPU tiers. The full details are available on this website. So we have CPU options with free alpha beta, and we have GPU options for AI development. And okay, so let's continue here. Uh, So currently I have the beta tier assigned to me with the 2V CPU with 8 GB RAM and 32 GB persistent storage. Idle timeout 60 minutes means if so is this platform is not in use, automatically in 1 hour it will stop my instance to save on my credit hours. So here I can see I have 150 hours quota available till 27 September, and after that I can upgrade my package or cloud quota, or continue to renew this beta tier. And so far, I've used 456 MB out of 32 GB of storage on Amazon Cloud, and my billing cycle runs from 28 June to 26 September. So here I'm going to launch, and I can also see my billing dashboard where it shows the changes to my different tiers and the packs I have paid for. Right. And let's continue with our AI development process here. Once the status shows as in service, then we launch Jupyter here. I'll go to Jupyter Log, which is a sophisticated version of Jupyter Notebook. So as you can see from the URL, it's assigning me an Amazon SageMaker notebook. So our platform is built on top of Amazon SageMaker. So we have the reliability and the scalability of a full AWS cloud. And all these packs which I had checked out earlier, they are already assigned to me. And I can just open any of these packs and start running AI projects. So let's try to run a regression project here. So I had checked out this pack in SelfStat Hub. So this is already assigned. The entire pack is assigned to me here. And now I'm going to one of these projects, which is part of the machine learning pack. And I'm going to run a regression project here. So as you can see, I can just I can select various kernels here. So we have TensorFlow, PyTorch, MXNet, various versions of Python available. This platform also supports R and Spark projects. So for this one, I just need a basic Python 3 version. So that's the one chosen here. And I can just run this notebook. So this is doing regression modeling, right? So those who are AI and machine learning developers can understand this code and easily jumpstart their AI development, right? And these projects here are certified to run on this platform. And so this is the data set this regression is trying to solve. So it's doing regression line fit on this data set, age being the input feature and insurance premium being the dependent feature or the Y feature, right? So it's so easy to start on this platform and just start running your AI projects. Let's also try a deep learning project. So I'll go to the deep learning pack, which I had already checked out in my SelfStat Hub. Let's try a convolutional neural network project. So this is a house versus boat classifier. And we can see we have two data sets where we have boats and we have houses here, right? So we are developing a binary classifier between house and boat images using this convolutional neural network, which is a deep learning algorithm. Let's run this project here, and already the correct kernel is selected here, which is TensorFlow 2.x version with Python 3.6. So let me run this deep learning project here. So I've been able to run this project, and I am seeing with 10 iterations, I am seeing a 70% accuracy and a final loss of 0.68, right? So if I keep running more iterations, the accuracy of my image classifier will continue to improve, right? So this is a usual CNN code which AI or MLDL developers are familiar with. So let's also try to learn an advanced NLP project. So let's try to run a sentiment analysis using uh, Hugging Face transformers, right? And so here I have a sentiment analysis program, which is natural language processing, and it runs on PyTorch, kernel with Python 3.6 version, which is also shown here. So let's just run this project. So it's downloading a data set from this GitHub profile, and then we'll be running sentiment analysis project on that. So these are some sample rows, and the last column identifies the sentiment, positive or negative, on this particular text. So I'm using Distilbert model from Hugging Face Transformers, which is a popular library for NLP models. So I'm running this model now using transformers. Still running. Okay, so far so good. Finally, we are doing after training the model with dot fit, we are doing a predict. And then we are also printing the confusion matrix, right? So this is how we are able to run NLP projects here. So coming to the root folder, so whatever packs I have checked out, they will appear here, and I can easily start those projects and jumpstart my AI development. So this is the product demo, and this is a very easy to use and very efficient AI development platform on Amazon Cloud, and we call it Self-Shred Hub. And it's there is a very easy to sign up for a free tier and start coding. So our objective is to enable millions of global AI developers who are trying to develop AI projects and AI solutions on the cloud with an easy MLOps platform or AI development and hosting platform. And so developers will come here and be able to, you know, uh, launch innovative AI projects very easily, quickly, and efficiently. So that's the objective of this platform. And in future, we will be providing AI service APIs, which developers can call and develop AI projects even faster. So that was the product demo. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We hope to interact with you.